Bismillah. Properties and reactions of fatty acids. Physical properties. Physical properties of body lipids depends to a large extent on the length of the carbon chain and degree of unsaturation of their constituent fatty acids. Number 1. Melting point. Thus, the melting point of even number fatty acids increases with the chain length and decrease according to the unsaturation. It means larger the chain length of fatty acids, more the melting point. Smaller the chain length of fatty acids, lower the melting point. More the saturation, decrease the melting point. A tax triacylglyceraldehyde containing all saturated fatty acids of 12 carbon or more is solid at body temperature, whereas if all the fatty acid residues in tax have 18 carbon 2 double bond, it is liquid below 0 Celsius. Natural triacylglyceraldehyde contains a mixture of fatty acids to suit their functional role. The membrane lipids, which be fluid, are more unsaturated than stored lipids. Solubility. Solubility of fatty acids increase with the increase in double bonds and vice versa. So it means it's a directly solubility of fatty acids and directly proportional to the double bonds. More the double bonds, more the solubility of fatty acids. Now chemical properties of lipids or fatty acids. Cis and trans isomerism. Isomerism of double bonds of fatty acids. A double bond in an alkyl side chain hydrocarbons can occur in cis and trans conformation. Trans double bonds, however, are formed during the catalytic hydrogenation of vegetable oils to make a margarine. The purpose of hydrogenation is to change the physical properties of oil into solid products which are easier to manipulate. Trans fatty acids possess a double bond and are formed during hydrogenation of natural oils. Trans fatty acids widely used in food industries, fast foods, or and ready to eat packages packed food to increase the shelf life of various foods. Their consumption is associated with an increased risk of various diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular diseases. Trans fatty acids also implicated in systematic inflammation, insulin resistance, elevated LDL low density lipoproteins, reduced HDL high density lipoprotein. It increased trans fatty acids keep increase the level of low density lipoprotein, that is a bad cholesterol. Its role, it transported cholesterol from liver to peripheral tissues, and it decreased the level of high density lipoproteins, etc. Trans fatty acids containing food should be avoided in the diet. Now the formation of salts. Fatty acids form salts with boiling with alkali and alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Salts of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, they are soaps. The process is known as conification. Sodium and potassium salts are soluble, while calcium and magnesium salts are insoluble. Now, formation of detergents. Reduction of carboxylic group of fatty acids produce alkyl alcohols. Formation of detergents. Reduction of carboxylic group of fatty acids produce alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols may get sulfated to produce alkyl sulfates, which are detergents, which act as the detergents, are good emulsifiers. Number 4. Ester formation. Fatty acids in combination with alcohols form esters. For example, with glycerol form monoacyl, di and triacyl glycerols, and with other alcohols form waxes. Special reactions of unsaturated fatty acid due to the presence of double bonds. Hydrogenation. It is a process of addition of hydrogen to unsaturated double bonds present in oils. Unsaturated fatty acids present in oils are then converted into a saturated fatty acid, that is, the oils converted into a solid fat vegetable ghee. Oils converted into a solid fats, banaspati ghee. Process is known as hardening of oils. Now, halogenation. Unsaturated fatty acids in free or combined form react with halogens, fluorine, iodine, bromine, or chlorine, especially iodine. Addition takes place at double bonds. This is used as index of degree of unsaturation of oils or fats. Iodine number. The number of grams of iodine which is required to saturate the double bonds present in 100 grams of fatty acids. It means more the iodine number, more the unsaturation found, more the pure oil. Oxidation. Double bond present in unsaturated fatty acids are readily oxidizable. This spontaneous oxidation forms a transparent chitinous coating on the surface to which the oil is applied. This is called drying of oils and is used in manufacturing paints and varnishes. A spontaneous oxidation causes a transparent chitinous coating on the surface to which the oil is applied. This is called drying of oil and is used in manufacturing of paints and varnishes. Now, essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are those that cannot synthesize in the body and must be provided in the diet. These include linoleic acid, linolenic acid, as well as arachidonic acid. Lack of essential fatty acids in diet can produce a growth retardation and other deficiency manifestation symptoms. Functions of essential fatty acids. Number 1. Structural elements of tissues. Polyunsaturated fatty acids occurs in a high concentration in lipids associated with the structural elements of tissues. Structural elements of gonads. Lipids of gonads also contain a high concentration of polyunsaturated fatty acids. Importance of essential fatty acids in reproductive function. It can restore the reproductive performance, can help boost fertility, improve the quality of uterus by increase increasing blood flow to the reproductive organs. Number 3. Synthesis of prostaglandins and other compounds. Prostaglandins are synthesized from a membrane-bounded polyunsaturated fatty acid, arachidonic acid, by a cyclooxygenase pathway. Leukotrienes are conjugated trienes also formed from arachidonic acid in leukocytes by another pathway, lipoxygenase pathway. Number 4. Structural element of mitochondrial membrane. A deficiency of essential fatty acids causes swelling of mitochondrial membrane and reduction in efficiency of oxidative phosphorylation. This may explain for increased heat production noted in essential fatty acids deficiency. Leads to impairment in the production of energy in the form of ATP. Number 5. Serum level of cholesterol. Fatty acids with higher contents of polyunsaturated fatty acids tends to lower the serum level of cholesterol. The question arises here how polyunsaturated fatty acids reduces cholesterol level. Lecithin phosphatidylcholine is a component of phospholipids bilayer of newly synthesized HDL particle, high density lipoprotein. The membrane of HDL particles contains a lecithin. The carbon number 2 of the lecithin contains a polyunsaturated fatty acids. So this polyunsaturated fatty acids from carbon number 2 of the lecithin found in HDL, high density lipoprotein, it's transported to the third carbon of cholesterol attached to the hydroxyl group at carbon number 3 to make a free cholesterol into cholesterol esters. So this production of more cholesterol into cholesterol esters keep lowering the level of free cholesterol in the body. So that's how the polyunsaturated fatty acids keep reducing the level of cholesterol in the body. Clinical correlation. Cardioprotective effects of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet are correlated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular diseases. So these appear to replace some of the arachidonic acid, omega fatty acids in platelet membrane and may lower the thrombus production and lower the tendency of platelets aggregation. Number 6. Effect on clotting time. To control the bleeding disorders is noted in ingestion of fats rich in essential fatty acids. Use of here we use of recombinant factors 7A to control bleeding. Factor 7A is a major component of extrinsic pathway of blood coagulation. It may be present in circulating blood without causing harmful effect because it is inactive until it forms a complex with a tissue factor 3. A recombinant form of factor 7A was initially developed as a treatment for hemophilia patients. Now it has been commercialized and approved for the treatment of various traumatic bleeding problems, particularly different types of surgeries and bleeding strokes. Role of essential fatty acids. Effect on fibrinolytic activity. Increase Essential fatty acids increase in fibrinolytic activity if the diet rich in essential fatty acids that promotes tissue to activate tissue plasmalogen activators, fibrinolytic activators or factors. Role in essential fatty acids. Role of essential fatty acids in fatty liver. Deficiency of essential fatty acids causes fatty liver. Fatty liver refers to uh, deposition of tax in the liver. It's due to the deposition of triacylglyceraldehyde in the liver. Fatty liver due to deficiency of essential fatty acids are cured only by the reintroduction of these essential fatty acids in the diet. Since phospholipids and cholesterol acids of the liver are characterized by the relatively high contents of polyunsaturated fatty acids, it is concluded that the shortage of essential fatty acids it is concluded that the shortage of essential fatty acids in the diet impaired the synthesis of both phospholipids and cholesterol esters. Both shortage of phospholipids and cholesterol esters thus interfering the synthesis of VLDL very low density lipoproteins in liver. This VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, which synthesize in the liver, their synthesis becomes impaired, so they're unable to transport the triacylglyceraldehyde, results that triacylglyceraldehyde abnormally accumulated in hepatocytes and causing fatty liver. Role in vision. Docosahexaenoic acid is the most abundant polyunsaturated fatty acid in retinal photoreceptor membrane. Docosahexaenoic acid is formed from the dietary linolenic acid. It enhances the electrical Docosahexaenoic acid enhances the electrical responses of the photoreceptors to illumination. Hence, linolenic acid is necessary in the diet for optimum vision. Essential fatty acids in the treatment of depression. It is suggested that high intake of fish and omega-3 fatty acids are linked to decreased rate of depression. Omega-3 fatty acids such as docosahexaenoic acid and eicosapentaenoic acid are important for uh, enzymatic pathway required to metabolize a long polyunsaturated fatty acids. Due to a metabolism of docosahexaenoic acid that lowers the plasma concentration, anoic acid make the compound 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid. Low plasma concentration of docosahexaenoic acid predicts the low concentration of this cerebrospinal fluid 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid. It is found that the low concentration of this compound 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid which synthesized during the metabolism of docosahexaenoic acid in brain is associated with depression and suicide. Now the deficiency manifestation, clinical manifestation due to a deficiency of this essential fatty acids leads to eczema-like dermatitis, eczema, a commonly itching skin disease characterized by a redness. This characterized by a redness, arrhythmias, papules, vesicles formation that leads to a weeping and crushing of skin, Eczema may be further into acute eczema or chronic eczema. Acute eczema in which skin becomes oozing, uh, contents, watery material should be brought out, leads to a whipping, arrhythmia occurs, and in case of chronic eczema, the skin becomes thick, scaly. Degenerative changes in arterial wall is also seen due to a deficiency of essential fatty acids, and a fatty liver is also leads due to a deficiency of essential fatty acids. As we know that the fatty liver is concerned with the deposition of tax in the liver. So, in case of deficiency of essential fatty acids, no production of uh, phospholipids possible, no production of cholesterol ester is possible, impairment in the synthesis of both phospholipids and cholesterol esters results VLDL, a very low density lipoprotein which synthesized in liver that is impaired, results abnormal accumulation of tax leads to a fatty liver. Reference books assignments. Enumerate essential fatty acids along with their biochemical role. Differentiate between cis and trans fatty acids. How trans fatty acids are harmful for the body.